Hi everyone! Today I was thinking about telling you a story about a baby bird. It's a cut and tell story, and I'm going to use paper, a pen, and some scissors. You and your parents can probably do this at home too. You can always grab paper, pen, and some scissors and try it out yourself. One day, Mother Bird and Father Bird wanted to build a nest. What do you think they used for their nest? Maybe some sticks, some twigs, grass, string, hair, or fur. There's lots of things that they could have used. And birds are natural recyclers. They can't go to the store and buy their own nest. They have to find the things that they want to build a nest with. And that is what Mother Bird and Father Bird did. They built a nest, and it was a beautiful nest. And then Mother Bird sat down in the nest and she laid an egg. And she tucked that egg down into the nest so it was safe and warm. When the rain came and the wind blew, Mother Bird and Father Bird stayed on the nest to keep the egg safe. One day, Father Bird went out to find the biggest, juiciest worm for Mother Bird. While he was away, Mother Bird made some friends with two little bugs. And they sat with her on the nest. Try a different pen. There's one little bug. And the next one. And they sat with Mother Bird. And they talked about the weather and how it was getting really warm. Then Mother Bird heard a crack, and she looked down, and there was a crack in the egg. Oh my goodness. Then she heard an even bigger crack. She looked down, and there was a big crack in the egg. What do you think came out of that crack? It was a baby bird. Then Father Bird came back with the juicy, juicy worm, and they all ate the worm together as a big, happy bird family. Maybe you and your parents can try this at home. Here's a song about birds. Way up in the sky, the big birdies fly. Way down in the nest, the little birds rest. With a wing on the left and a wing on the right, the little birds sleep all through the night. Shh, don't wake up the birdies. Then up comes the sun, the dew falls away. Good morning, the little birds say. Thanks for joining me on my cut and tell story, and you can always rewind this video or go back and watch it again. Bye!